Marjorie, ipinagtanggol si Julia sa maling paratang. Dumipensa ang dating actress-politician na si Marjorie Barreto sa maling paratang ng isang netizen sa kanyang anak na si Julia. Ang paratang ay nag-ugat sa post sa social media ng isang netizen na may kinalaman umano si Julia sa pagpapasara ng isang isla sa Camiguin upang bigyan diin ang photo at video shoot nito doon. To the local government of Camiguin, LGU Catarman, Camiguin Tourism Office, and Julia Barreto. Last weekend, we traveled to Camiguin for a short but well-planned trip, excited to explore its beautiful tourist spots. Our itinerary included White Island, Mantigue Island, and Katibawasan Falls. However, our plans were disrupted when we were suddenly informed that Mantigue Island was closed for a celebrity shoot without any prior public announcement. We were told the island would reopen at 12 p.m., so we rushed to make it in time. Upon arrival, we found frustrated tourists waiting, including those who had flights to catch. Despite assurances, the shoot extended past 1 p.m., forcing many to cancel or reschedule their plans. To the LGU of Camiguin, prioritizing a single celebrity over numerous paying tourists is unacceptable. If closures are necessary, proper advance notice should be given, at least a week prior, to prevent unnecessary inconvenience. To Julia Barreto and your team, while we respect your work, shutting down an entire public island for hours with no regard for others is selfish and entitled. If efficiency mattered, you could have started earlier instead of occupying Mantigue Island at peak hours. Instead of gaining admiration, you turned potential fans into critics. Tourists visit Camiguin to appreciate its beauty, not to be sidelined for a celebrity convenience. We hope this serves as a wake-up call for better policies and consideration in the future. Nauna nang nagpalabas ng official statement si Julia hinggil sa nasabing issue at sinabing walang katotohanan ang paratang at nagbantang magdidemanda sa maling paratang nito. Hi all! Last weekend, I had the incredible opportunity to visit Camiguin upon the invitation of the local leaders. From March 1 to 3, we partnered with them on a tourism project aimed at showcasing the island's rich history, culture, and natural beauty. It was an honor to contribute to their vision and support the local community. However, I have recently been made aware of false accusations regarding my involvement in temporary area closures during our shoot. A particular Nikako has publicly claimed that I ordered these closures, labeling me as entitled and selfish. To clarify, I was not involved in any decisions regarding closures. The coordination and management of the locations were entirely under the jurisdiction of the local government. I was only informed that certain areas would be momentarily closed during the shoot, which I understood as part of their commitment to ensuring the success of their tourism initiatives. To assume that I had authority to dictate such decisions is both unfair and misleading. While I usually do not engage with baseless accusations, I will not tolerate misinformation that misrepresents my character, my work, or the purpose of Juju on the Go. This project has always been about celebrating destinations, supporting communities, and sharing meaningful experiences. Furthermore, I take this matter seriously and am currently seeking legal advice regarding the spread of false and misleading information, including a manipulated TikTok video with fake audio that aims to misrepresent me. To Nika ko, I hope neither you nor anyone in your life would have to experience the kind of unfounded attack and cruel words you have directed at me without having knowledge of what has transpired. Words have weight, and spreading misinformation can cause real harm. Kinall out naman ni Marjorie ang nasabing netizen sa pag-edit umano nito sa nauna nitong post pagkatapos ng statement ni Julia. Hello, Nika ko. Why did you edit your original post? We have the original post on file. Did you realize how irresponsible you were? When you put it out there and you are called out, editing only makes you look weak. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.